How to change your alarm sound on iPhone. Set an alarm on iPhone. In the Clock app, you can set alarms for specific times. You can also make changes to the sleep schedule you set up in the Health app. See Set up sleep schedules in Health on iPhone. Set an alarm. Tap Alarm, then tap Set the time, then choose any of the following options. Repeat. Choose the days of the week. Label. Give the alarm a name, like Water the Plants. Sound. Choose a tone or vibration. Snooze. Give yourself a few more minutes of sleep. Tap Save. To change or delete the alarm, tap Edit. Make changes to your next wake-up alarm in the Health app. You can set up a sleep schedule that includes bedtime and wake-up times, alarm settings, wind-down options, and more for each day of the week. See Set up sleep schedules in Health on iPhone. When you have a sleep schedule set up, you can make changes to your next wake-up alarm in the Clock app. Tap Alarm, then tap Change. Adjust your sleep and wake times. Drag the bedtime button and the wake button. Choose alarm options, such as snooze and an alarm sound. To make more changes to your sleep schedule, tap Edit Sleep Schedule at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching.